Why does my skin feel looser? Why do these lines around my eyes deepen every month? If you're over 60, these questions may feel all too familiar. Despite eating well, staying active, and even using the occasional skincare cream, many older adults still struggle with visible aging. Wrinkles deepen, skin loses its firmness, and by evening, your body feels drained. Like the vitality that once came naturally now slips through your fingers. But here's the hard truth. After 60, your body produces far less collagen, the protein responsible for keeping your skin smooth, elastic, and full of life. By age 30, collagen starts declining. By 60, you've already lost over 50%. And if you've been through stress, poor sleep, or nutrient deficiencies, the breakdown is even faster. But collagen loss doesn't just show up on your skin. It affects how your body feels at night, leading to slower recovery, poor sleep quality, and weaker resilience after a full day. That's why some people over 60 feel tired but wired at night, struggle with poor circulation, or notice thinning, papery skin that just won't bounce back. And here's what's worse. Many assume it's just normal aging. But that belief causes us to miss one of the most reversible aspects of the aging process. Because in reality, your body can make collagen again, if it's given the right natural fuel. And no, we're not talking about expensive creams or powders. We're talking about everyday fruits, rich in skin-healing nutrients, antioxidants, and natural collagen activators that can jumpstart your skin's glow and bring your nighttime vitality back online. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful fruits that help your body produce collagen like you did in your 30s. They work from the inside out to lift your skin, soften wrinkles, and bring deep recovery at night. And the first one? It's creamy, delicious, and surprisingly powerful. Avocado, the skin-repairing, wrinkle-fighting fruit hiding in plain sight. Let's uncover why this fruit might be your best nighttime ally for skin glow and youthful resilience. Most people think of avocado as just a trendy toast topping or a healthy fat. But if you're over 60 and want younger-looking skin, fewer wrinkles, and renewed nighttime vitality, avocado might just be your secret weapon. Here's why. Avocado is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your collagen from breaking down due to sun exposure and oxidative stress. In fact, studies show that when vitamin E works together with vitamin C, also found in avocado, your body gets a double boost in collagen production and skin repair. But the magic doesn't stop there. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which helps keep your skin's lipid barrier strong. That means your skin holds on to moisture longer, stays plumper, and becomes far more resistant to fine lines. And if you've noticed your skin becoming thin or fragile, you'll love this. Avocados contain glutathione, a natural detoxifier that helps clear toxins that block collagen production. It also supports liver function, which is crucial for nighttime hormone balance and energy restoration after 60. But perhaps most exciting is how avocado supports nighttime vitality. Its high magnesium and potassium content helps calm the nervous system, improve deep sleep, and reduce nighttime cortisol, a hormone that sabotages skin repair when elevated. Imagine waking up with skin that feels hydrated, firmer, and energy that carries you throughout the day. That's the real power of this creamy green fruit. Simple tip. Try eating half an avocado in the morning or early evening. Pair it with a slice of whole grain toast, or dice it into a salad with lemon juice and olive oil. The healthy fats will help absorb more skin-loving vitamins, and the fiber keeps your blood sugar steady. Another bonus for smoother skin and hormone balance. And no, you don't need to eat it every day. 3 to 4 times a week is enough to see results within a month. So if you've been searching for a natural way to reclaim your youthful glow and feel stronger by night, don't overlook this humble fruit. Next up, We'll explore a vibrant red fruit that doesn't just protect your skin from the outside, but rewires your body's collagen engine from the inside out. Pomegranate. The anti-aging elixir hiding in your fruit bowl. Imagine this. A single fruit that not only protects your existing collagen, but also stimulates new collagen production, even after 60. That fruit is pomegranate. For thousands of years, pomegranate has been treasured as a symbol of youth and vitality. But modern science is now uncovering the real reason why. Pomegranates contain a rare group of compounds called collagens, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, prevent collagen breakdown, and stimulate fibroblasts, the very cells in your skin that produce collagen. Even more impressively, your body converts collagens into urolithin A, a molecule proven to improve mitochondrial function. Why does that matter? Because the mitochondria are your cell's powerhouses, and when they're strong, your skin repairs faster, your muscles recover better, and your energy levels stay high, even at night. In fact, new research shows that urolithin A can enhance cell renewal and longevity, making pomegranate one of the few fruits on Earth that actually reverses some signs of cellular aging. And when it comes to your skin, it reduces oxidative stress, slows wrinkle formation, and improves skin density and elasticity. But there's more. Pomegranate also helps balance estrogen and testosterone levels, especially helpful for men and women over 60. This gentle hormonal support improves skin thickness, enhances libido, and helps restore the nighttime resilience that often fades with age. How to enjoy it? Drink unsweetened pomegranate juice around 4 hours in the morning, or sprinkle fresh pomegranate seeds over a bowl of Greek yogurt or a green salad. The vitamin C inside works synergistically with collagens to boost collagen even more. And remember, consistency is key. Just a few servings a week can lead to smoother, brighter, and more lifted skin, not to mention deeper rest and better evening vitality. So the next time you're in the grocery store, don't walk past this jewel-toned fruit. It's not just pretty. It's scientifically proven to rejuvenate your skin and restore inner strength. Coming up next. The final fruit on our list may look small, but its effect on your skin and collagen is nothing short of powerful. Strawberries. The collagen-activating, wrinkle-smoothing berry that works fast. Let's talk about the most underestimated anti-aging powerhouse in your kitchen. Strawberries. Yes, those sweet, juicy berries you've loved since childhood are actually one of the most collagen-boosting fruits you can eat, especially after age 60. Here's why. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C. And not just a little. Just 1 cup of strawberries contains more vitamin C than an orange. And if there's one nutrient your body absolutely needs to produce collagen, it's vitamin C. But that's only the beginning. Strawberries also contain ellagic acid, a natural compound shown in multiple studies to protect existing collagen from being destroyed by UV rays and pollution. In fact, ellagic acid has been found to prevent wrinkle formation and reduce skin inflammation, 2 of the biggest factors in premature aging. So what does this mean for your skin? Fewer wrinkles, brighter, firmer texture, stronger, more youthful skin barrier. And here's something you might not know. Vitamin C doesn't just help make collagen, it helps stabilize it. That means the collagen you do produce lasts longer, works better, and supports not just your skin, but your joints, blood vessels, and even sleep quality. Because yes, strawberries also support nighttime repair. They contain natural antioxidants that help reduce cortisol, support melatonin production, and allow your body to enter deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. And better sleep equals faster healing, from your skin to your muscles to your memory. Simple tip: add strawberries to your breakfast smoothie, slice them over oats or Greek yogurt, or eat them fresh with a handful of nuts for a blood sugar stable snack. You don't need a lot. Just 3-4 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. What you'll start to notice? Your skin looks clearer, wrinkles look less pronounced, and you feel more rested. as if your body finally has the tools it needs to do its natural job: repair and restore. And the best part? These changes happen naturally, without pills, injections, or expensive creams. Just real food working with your body's wisdom. Now that you've discovered the top 3 collagen-enhancing fruits, avocado, pomegranate, and strawberry, it's time to bring them together into a simple routine you can follow right away. Get ready, because in the next section, we'll walk you step by step through how to use these fruits to rebuild your glow, lift your vitality, and feel unstoppable after 60. Now that you know the truth, that your body can make collagen again with the right natural ingredients, the question becomes, how do you put it all together effortlessly? Good news, you don't need to count calories, take synthetic supplements, or follow complicated meal plans. All it takes is a simple fruit-powered morning ritual, one that nourishes your skin, strengthens your body, and supports deep nighttime recovery. Here's a 3-step daily plan you can start tomorrow. Step 1. Start with avocado for skin hydration and hormone balance. In the morning, mash half an avocado onto whole grain toast or blend it into a smoothie with almond milk and cinnamon. Its healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, while magnesium and potassium calm your nervous system and set you up for better sleep tonight. Bonus, add a boiled egg on the side for extra amino acids, the raw material your body needs to build collagen. Step 2. Add pomegranate to ignite collagen and protect skin cells. Around mid-morning, sip on 4 oz of pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar. Or toss a handful of pomegranate seeds into Greek yogurt or a fiber-rich bowl of oats. This fuels your body with punicalagins and vitamin C, which stimulate fibroblasts to produce fresh, firming collagen. Bonus, it supports hormonal balance, which is key for skin elasticity, mood, and nighttime strength. Step 3. End with strawberries for wrinkle repair and overnight glow. Add a cup of fresh strawberries to your lunch salad, cottage cheese bowl, or enjoy them as a late afternoon treat. Their mega dose of vitamin C plus ellagic acid helps stabilize new collagen, repair UV damage, and prep your body for restful, skin-healing sleep. Bonus, want to amplify the effect? Sprinkle on a few chia seeds, full of omega-3s that protect your skin barrier and ease inflammation. What to expect in 30 days? If you stick to this collagen smart fruit ritual 4 to 5 days a week, here's what many seniors report. Softer, smoother skin, fewer visible wrinkles, less dryness and sagging, stronger nails and joints, more consistent energy, deeper, more restful sleep. And best of all, you don't just look younger, you feel younger, more confidence in your skin, more power in your body, and a natural glow that no cream or cosmetic could ever match. Because you didn't treat the surface, you nourished the source. Coming up next, let's talk about how to sustain these results and what foods to avoid if you want to protect your collagen gains. You've now discovered the 3 most powerful fruits for restoring collagen, smoothing wrinkles, and reigniting nighttime energy after 60. But before you go, there's one more critical truth you need to hear. What you avoid is just as important as what you add. Because the sad reality is, even if you're eating all the right fruits, some everyday habits can silently destroy your collagen reserves. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Number 1. Say no to added sugar. Sugar is one of collagen's biggest enemies. Why? Because it triggers a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to collagen and stiffen it, causing wrinkles, dullness, and skin sagging. Swap processed snacks and sweetened drinks for naturally sweet fruits like strawberries, kiwi, and blueberries. Your skin will thank you. Number 2. Cut down on excess alcohol. A glass of wine now and then is fine, but chronic alcohol intake dehydrates your skin and depletes the liver enzymes needed to activate collagen production. If you want to glow, hydrate with herbal teas, water infused with lemon or cucumber, or warm turmeric tea at night. Number 3. Minimize processed meats and fried foods. They're often loaded with inflammatory compounds and preservatives that speed up collagen breakdown. Instead, focus on whole, colorful foods like leafy greens, legumes, seeds, and of course, your 3 collagen fruits. Bonus, build your collagen shield. In addition to your fruit-powered morning ritual, here are 3 extra tips to protect your glow. Sleep. 7 to 8 hours every night. Your body does most of its skin repair between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Move daily. Gentle walking or stretching improves circulation and delivers collagen nutrients to your skin. Practice gratitude. Emotional stress increases cortisol, which degrades collagen. A calm mind equals youthful skin. Here's the truth. You're not too old to restore your glow. You're not too late to support your body's natural healing. And you don't need injections or high-priced serums to reclaim vibrant skin and strong nighttime vitality. All you need is consistency and the right support. Just imagine waking up to smoother skin, feeling more confident in the mirror, moving through your evenings with calm, graceful strength. That's what happens when your body builds collagen like you're 30 again, with the help of nature's simplest gifts: avocado, pomegranate, and strawberries. Now it's your turn. Choose one habit today, one fruit, one small step, and let your transformation begin. Because age is just a number. But radiance? That's a choice you can make daily.